going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel, Mitchy boy here. Just got this brother laser printer, HL-1210w. Picked it up from Warehouse Stationery here in New Zealand for $79. So it's probably about 50 or 60 US dollars. Yeah, I've never had a laser printer before. I've been meaning to pick one up for like the last year or so just to give it a try. Kind of sick of the inkjets. You know, they have a ton of problems, and you know, the ink costs more. Not necessarily if you fill it yourself, it doesn't cost that much, but to buy like cartridges, you know, it's quite expensive compared to the price of the printers. And apparently these things do like, you can get the replacement cartridges, not the genuine brother ones, but the compatible ones for like $15, and they're supposed to do like 1,000, maybe 1,500 pages at you know, just text pages. So yeah, I thought I would get one and try it out and see if it's better. So yeah, $15 for replacement compatible cartridges. If you buy the brother ones, it's going to be like 80. So it's kind of expensive if you do it that way. Although 1,000 pages is quite a bit. I'm not sure how much of those inkjet cartridges are supposed to do, but there's no way it's anything like that. I would say like lucky to be 100. So yeah, this must be the cartridge, I suppose. And I'm going to get this out. Instructions, I guess, installation DVD and stuff. This comes with like Wi-Fi too, so you don't have to plug a USB in, which I think is great. I didn't have that on my last inkjet printer that I bought. So this comes with a setup guide, some other thing, and try and put it upside down. Fairly compact. Make sure it's pointed at the printer. So, I don't know what this is. Page 5. So it's the paper tray, and then must come out there somewhere. Not sure. I'll have to figure that out. Don't know if I should like walk you through the process. I don't think that's a good idea, because you probably just want to get a little review or something. So yeah, I'll just shut the video off now and try and figure it all out. So this one here, it says, this one's at HL-1210w, but it also says HL-1211w, HL-1212w. So I'm not sure if that's like, oh, I don't even have that on the camera. I'm not sure if that's because like they have different model names overseas. Because I was looking on Amazon, I couldn't find this model. So I'm guessing that they do have different model names or something. So yeah, I will have a look at that on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description if you guys want to have a look. But yeah, I'll go ahead and try and sort out the installation process and stuff like that. Alright, so I'm going to put the toner in. These instructions aren't really super clear. I guess I'll figure it out though. So I just loaded it into here. I might take it out actually. Just push these down. Actually no, I'll just leave it. But I just kind of pushed it in that way and then pressed these down and it clicked into place. So I guess that's alright. It's set in the right way or whatever. So I guess the next thing to do is plug it in, and then I probably have to install the thing, the drivers or whatever, the software, and the wireless and stuff. So it doesn't have a USB, I don't think. Can't see a USB plug. Maybe there is in there somewhere actually. You'd think there would be. Maybe there is somewhere here. Maybe not. It's kind of weird, but I think I'll just use wireless anyway if it's got it. Installing the software now. I just had to get a USB cable and plug it in. Tried to do it via the Wi-Fi, but it didn't work. So yeah, didn't come with a USB cable for some reason. So I just had to get one from my old printer. And it seemed to work. So yeah. So yeah, I'll just try and print some random text. Kind of see how long it takes. I think I got it loaded right. Didn't take too long to set up, but yeah. What? It says I can't print. What? This is the thing, it's not really doesn't seem to be able to connect to the internet good. A jam! This is not a good start. I did printed out some stuff. It was jamming up, but I just had to remove this thing here. It was inside the printer. And it seemed to print very quickly. What I noticed. Give it another go. For some reason it's printing out so like 1, 2, 3 4, 5, 6. So yeah, it's very quick. It's supposed to do 20 a minute, so yeah. Suppose I'll do some more tests. Seems good though. Pretty happy. Well, I don't really know yet because I'm still testing it out, but maybe I'll try and print something on like transparency. See how that goes. Just turn this off for a sec. I'm actually just going to try and print a postage label, so see how clearly that comes out with like the tracking number and stuff. And then I'll try and print something like a design on transparency. Hopefully it works all good though. Just put that down there. Bit slower for something like that. It's a bit more intricate. Hopefully those numbers work. That barcode's good. Seems alright. Just hard to say really, eh? And for some reason part of the letter didn't print out. That's kind of weird. Don't know why that would be. It's a bit of a concern. But yeah, I'll try a design on transparency. So let's try it on transparency. Hopefully it works. I can see the paper in there, can we? No, don't tell me it's not going to work. Okay. Oh yeah, that worked all good. Put another one in. Sweet, I'm pretty happy with that. Wonder how many pages that will be, because it's you know, it uses like you use about 1,000. You do about 1,000 pages apparently. For each cartridge or whatever. So hopefully the tracking numbers are good too. Hopefully. What's going on over here? No, don't tell me it jammed. You prick. Better not jam up all the time. Go, go, go. Please work. It worked the first time. That was really hot. It's cooled down now, but it lets through quite a bit of light. Come on, man. There's paper in there. Well, I don't know why it will work the first time. Oh. Right, please work. Come on. I'm gonna be mad if this doesn't work. Okay, it's working now. Don't know why I was saying that. It's really hot when it comes out, but maybe it's not used to the transparency. But yeah, seems all good. Don't really know what more I can do to test it. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. On Amazon. I think it might be a different model name. It's just like my first impressions and stuff. I suppose I'll do a review, like a more in-depth review in the next wee while. Like not really, you know, just like after I've actually used it more and stuff, see how it goes over time. But yeah, thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.